In each of the tests, there is a Help button. If you click on the Help button, this will give you the information about the task you are currently doing. If you click on Test Help, you will see information about how the test works. You can also highlight sections of the test. To do this, left-click and drag your cursor over the section of text or question you wish to highlight. Then right-click and select the Highlight option. To remove highlighting from the text, right-click on the highlighted area and select Clear. If you wish to remove all highlighting from the screen, right-click on a highlighted area and select Clear All. You do not need to remove the highlighted text before moving on to the next question. The examiner will not see any highlighted text, and if you do leave highlighted text in the test, your test result will not be affected. You can also make notes on a section of text. To do this, left-click and drag the cursor over the selection of text or question you want to make notes on. Then right-click and select the Notes option. Your chosen section of text will be highlighted and a yellow notepad will appear. You can write your notes on this. Click on the cross in the notepad to hide your notes. To see your notes again, click on the highlighted section of text. If you want to see which areas of highlighted text have notes, move the cursor slowly over each area of highlighted text. If a small orange box appears, it means the highlighted text contains notes. To remove notes from the text or questions, right-click on the highlighted area and select Clear. The examiner will not see any highlighted text, and if you leave any highlighted text in your test result will not be affected. If you need to leave the test room for a few minutes to use the bathroom, you can hide your screen by clicking on the Hide button. Please remember, if you do need to go to the bathroom during the test, put your hand up to attract the attention of the invigilator. When you return to the test room, click on the Resume Test button.